In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture on Lucidchart with ease and precision. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be ready to add images seamlessly to your diagrams, enriching your visual presentations with just a few clicks. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Once you're logged into Lucidchart and ready to get started, you're just a few steps away from adding a picture to your diagram. Begin by heading over to the Documents section. You can find this section easily from the main dashboard, and it's where all your current and past projects are displayed. Whether you're opening an existing document or embarking on a new project, this is your starting point. If you're working with an existing document, click on Open a File to select the specific document you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and click on the option to start a blank project. Now that you have your document open, direct your attention to the left menu where you'll find a variety of icons available for use. Look for the image icon. It's generally represented by a picture or a landscape. This icon is your gateway to handling images within Lucidchart. By clicking on this icon, you'll initiate a series of tools geared towards integrating images into your diagrams. The next step involves locating the import icon. This step is crucial because it allows you to bring external images into your Lucidchart document, expanding the creative possibilities for your display. Clicking on Import will present you with several options on where to source your image from. In our case, we'll click on Image to proceed. You'll then be prompted to upload an image directly from your computer. At this point, it would be helpful to have the picture you wish to use easily accessible, either on your desktop or organized within your folders. This quick access will streamline the upload process significantly. Click on Upload from Computer and browse through your files to select your desired image. Upon selecting it, the image will automatically appear in your Lucidchart document, ready for further editing. With the image now within your workspace, it's time to adjust its size to fit the context of your diagram properly. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the image, resizing it according to your specific needs and preferences. And just like that, you've successfully added a picture to your Lucidchart diagram. Incorporating images can vastly improve the effectiveness of your projects, making them not only more informative, but visually engaging as well. Thanks for joining me today.